Communication works for those who work at it. Little words from John Powell, one of the famous music composers of hit movies like Shrek. Every word is meaningful. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters from Kottayam and across different Toastmasters clubs who have come here to make this session a wonderful one. Today, I'm trying to give you a vision document of how the Kottayam Toastmasters whole public relation exercise and marketing communication should develop into the stories of tomorrow and how it should be told. I was giving a session a few months back in the Royal Toastmasters Club in Saudi Arabia, and I really stressed upon the need of personal branding. So what is important is not only develop the brand of Kottayam Toastmasters as a club, but also important that you get those stories in LinkedIn, in YouTube, in Facebook, in Instagram, and those branding stories will help you develop as a professional. So let me try and define my whole communication goal. Anu ma'am has already stressed that we have already achieved the 5 DCP goals and are one of the earliest clubs to achieve it in District 121. But we need not be complacent. What we are looking at is a nine-figure mark and even a 10-figure mark. Educational goals out of 6, we have already achieved 5. Membership goals, we will get 1 more point if you add 2 more members, but we are looking at achieving the whole 8 to get those 2 membership points. And training and administration, I think we are right on track. So we are aiming at the 9 and the perfect 10 to get those DCP points, which is the health indicator of any Toastmasters club. What would be the objectives of my communication? To strengthen the brand of Kottayam Toastmasters and how distinct it will be from among all the Toastmasters clubs across the country and the district. And most importantly, to build that value into the brand and communicate that value to our club members and professionals across the state. I try to do a SWOT analysis of our club. What are our strengths? We have a very diverse mix of members, students, teachers, professionals from varied walk of life. We have strong trailblazers and pathways who have moved on to the 4th and the 5th levels. We have a beautiful mix of youngsters and the experience. If you look at the opportunities, we have to now look at identifying each member's requirements and plan their path. And for that, communication is important. We have to look at colleges and educational institutions that remain untapped. We have to look at clubs. We have to look at training that we can provide to our members. Some of the weaknesses that we have to improve is that out of the 23 members, a few members are unable to attend because of their professional engagement and they're not comfortable with this whole online platform. We have to communicate. The Toastmasters online platform is going to stay for some time and you have to make the best use of it. You have to utilize the pathways resources and the full benefits of Toastmasters. And a little threat I would look at is to try and retain and maintain this whole family together for the next session. Let me look at some of the core brand values that we have to convey. What are the perceptions of our club? Last time when we went in for renewal, Minnie ma'am said one of your strongest strengths is the kind of literary content that Toastmasters like Rarima, Shobha and Anu ma'am brings into it. They read a lot and bring in a lot of literary content into the speeches. As I already mentioned, we have a very strong and diverse group. Our table topics, sessions, our speeches, and even today's session by the CEO Modi is innovative. And there's a whole learning process that happens in every session. We have a very vibrant bunch of groups. So these are the kind of core brand values that has to go into this communications that goes out into the social media and the print media. Let us look at how some of our own members perceive our club and what Kottayam Toastmasters has been able to deliver over the past 1 year. If you look at a professional like Jacob, who's an entrepreneur, he says that I've improved my public speaking, communication skills, and connecting with audiences. Not only with Kottayam, he goes across the club, but I think Kottayam Toastmasters is like a stepping stone for him to develop those abilities. If you look at a student like Jonathan, he says that he's got that platform to express all his inner feelings without that restriction. He calls Kottayam Toastmasters his second home. Binu Warrior, who's again a marketing professional, has improved a lot in terms of the communication skills. It happened with the help of the team. And Ajay, another marketing professional, says that he has been able to deliver a lot and he's been able to discover the kind of mistakes that he has made over the period of time. It's not backpatting that we have to do, but we have to really look at introspect and find out what are our strengths, and these strengths has to be reflected upon. If you look at any Toastmasters club, what are the kind of problems that a Toastmasters club help in? They help an engineering or an MBA student develop their communication skills before they get into an interview. An MBA entrance student, before he appears for the GDs and the interviews, is able to deliver it better if he is a Toastmaster. A teacher like Shridhi ma'am can teach innovatively once she has made those experiments in Kottayam Toastmasters. Last week I attended a Royal Toastmasters Club, and there Beeta ma'am actually used how to make a fish curry, the recipe of the fish curry, and convert it into a mind map. So those are things that a teacher comes and experiments on a Toastmasters platform and then go and deliver it back to her students and teach innovatively. Professionals and students in the Toastmasters group can look at it for the personal growth and develop the leadership abilities. Strong need for all these kind of people. And these are the communication that should go to these distinct bunch of people. Engineering, MBA students, interview preparation. Teachers come and innovate on Kottayam Toastmasters platform and then go back and teach innovatively in their clubs. Professionals develop those leadership abilities and communication skills. Leadership, our students can get that. I'll quickly go through the channels of communication, and each distinct specific channel should be there for specific communication. Our website has to really be revised. A lot of Toastmasters clubs use their website to put in all those resources that is helpful for the professionals. Kottayam Toastmasters Club website has to be strengthened. We need to look at Facebook and Instagram pages to connect to the students and professionals in a very, very targeted way. All our events and promo posters have to go into those Toastmasters, the Facebook and Instagram pages. SlideShare, I have discovered over the last 7 or 8 years, is one of the strongest platforms where you can actually exhibit all your professional skills. I myself is a quizmaster, and I have a SlideShare page called Enquesta, where I've got thousands of hardcore quizzes actually following me on getting the quiz content. We have to get those SlideShare pages where we have to showcase our Kottayam Toastmasters best features. Toastmasters across the world have sometimes got problems in how to go about with their project. So SlideShare should be the platform where they will get the content for their speeches and then develop it further. Kottayam Toastmasters can that. We can also do that in our YouTube pages. YouTube, we have just started it off, not working, but we need to work on our Kottayam Toastmasters YouTube also. And last but not the least, we have to get that newsletter out. And for all that, a VPPR may not be able to work on our own. We need to get strong volunteers who form committees and subcommittees to work on those Facebook pages, Instagram pages, SlideShare pages, YouTube channels. It is going to be a long and tough exercise, but it's going to be one of the best exercises for not only the branding of Kottayam Toastmasters, but for each one of you. And a brand is a story that has to be always be told. That was the words by Scott Bedbury. Thank you, and back to you, PM Modi.